Finn, where are you going?
Going to
You're going to work? No, it's not hot.
war.
Yeah, you don't want to touch that when it's on. Finn, where are you going? You're going to work? What are you going to do?
Sunglasses.
What are you going to do at work?
We're doing it.
You're making donuts? Okay. Well, I guess I'll see you later. Whose sunglasses are those?
Mama's.
They're Mama's sunglasses? Are they a little too big for your face? Tell me where you're going. You're going to work? Okay. I love you.
Passions.
I love you, Passions, too.
They're warm.
Not warm.